Imagine standing on a vast cosmic balcony, gazing out over the heavens. Before you looms a colossal presence, a giant so immense, so powerful that it governs the fate of the solar system. This is Jupiter. But what if I told you that Jupiter is far more than a swirling gas ball? What if it is one of God's most extraordinary creations, a protector, a sculptor, a silent guardian that has shaped life on Earth itself? Welcome back to Mysterious Universe. In today's journey, we dive into the staggering wonders and hidden mysteries of Jupiter, the Colossus of our solar system. We'll uncover its violent storms, its mesmerizing moons, its otherworldly magnetic field, and its astonishing role in protecting our fragile home. If you're fascinated by the hand of the Creator working through the cosmos, stay with us. Subscribe now, turn on notifications, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe Jupiter's very existence carries the fingerprints of divine design? As we explore this majestic planet, remember, in every spinning storm, in every powerful magnetic surge, and in every moon that orbits this gas giant, we may be witnessing the deliberate artistry of God, who spoke the stars into existence and set planets on their paths. The psalmist wrote, "The heavens declare the glory of God, the skies proclaim the work of his hands." Today, we stand in awe of one of his greatest masterpieces. Jupiter is, without comparison, the titan of our solar system. As the fifth planet from the Sun, it holds more than twice the mass of all other planets combined. You could fit 1,300 Earths inside its massive volume, yet it rotates so rapidly that a day on Jupiter lasts just under 10 hours. Despite its size, Jupiter is surprisingly light. Composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, its density is far less than Earth's. It orbits the Sun at a distance of 778 million kilometers, taking nearly 12 Earth years to complete one revolution. Its minimal axial tilt means Jupiter experiences almost no seasons, and its atmosphere, a frigid 104 degrees Celsius at the cloud tops, hides an interior of unimaginable heat and pressure. Beneath its swirling clouds lies an enigma, a layered world where gases compress into liquid and then metallic hydrogen, generating electric currents that fuel its ferocious magnetic field. This internal dynamo is so potent that Jupiter's magnetosphere extends millions of kilometers into space, far beyond its visible size. Jupiter's atmosphere is a canvas of perpetual violence. Its iconic cloud bands swirl in alternating light and dark stripes, the result of powerful jet streams moving in opposite directions at different latitudes. These dynamic layers form boundaries where massive storms take shape. Among them reigns the Great Red Spot, a monstrous anticyclonic storm first observed over 350 years ago. Large enough to engulf 2 or 3 Earths, this churning vortex spins with relentless fury, its reddish hue likely caused by complex chemicals exposed to solar radiation. Everywhere across Jupiter's surface, storms rage. Gigantic white ovals, smaller cyclones, and chaotic turbulence dance across its face. What we witness is not merely weather, but the echoes of the very forces that birthed our solar system. For within these storms lies a record of primordial matter, the swirling nebula from which the Sun, Earth, and all life were born. The book of Genesis tells us that God separated the waters from the waters, establishing order from chaos. In Jupiter's ceaseless tempests, we see a cosmic memory of that same divine act, the raw, untamed energy of creation still in motion. While its colorful clouds offer a spectacular view, Jupiter's true mysteries lie hidden deep within. Beneath the upper atmosphere, pressure mounts rapidly. About 10,000 kilometers down, hydrogen transitions into a strange metallic liquid, a state where electrons roam freely, allowing electricity to flow as in a metal. This metallic hydrogen layer rotates with the planet, acting as a massive generator. The resulting magnetic field is 14 times stronger than Earth's, and 20,000 times its volume. If Jupiter's magnetosphere were visible from Earth, it would appear as large as the full moon. At Jupiter's core likely rests a dense mass of heavier elements, perhaps 7 to 25 times Earth's mass. But much about this core remains uncertain. Did God design it as a solid anchor, or as a swirling mass of heavy elements floating in metallic seas? The truth lies hidden beneath crushing pressures we have yet to conquer. In the book of Job, God asks, "Have you comprehended the vast expanses of the earth? Tell me, if you know all this." As we peer into Jupiter's core, we echo that same awe, standing at the edge of human understanding, staring into the profound. Orbiting Jupiter are at least 79 moons, a miniature solar system in their own right. The 4 Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, each present unique worlds of stunning diversity. Io, closest to Jupiter, is the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Tidal forces from Jupiter and its sibling moons tear at Io's interior, heating it to molten fury. Over 400 volcanoes erupt sulfur compounds, painting Io in brilliant yellows, reds, and blacks. Europa, meanwhile, may harbor life beneath its icy shell. A vast subsurface ocean, kept warm by tidal forces, may contain more water than all Earth's oceans combined. Its cracked, smooth surface hints at convective currents beneath, an alien sea that might host life. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, possesses its own magnetic field, a rarity for moons. It likely shelters subsurface oceans beneath its icy crust, layered between sheets of rock and ice. Callisto, the most ancient and heavily cratered of the Galilean moons, remains geologically quiet, but may also conceal an underground ocean. Psalm 95 declares, "In his hand are the depths of the earth, and the mountain peaks belong to him." Even in these distant moons, we find evidence of a creator who crafted layers of hidden wonder, challenging us to search deeper. Beyond its sheer beauty, Jupiter serves a purpose so profound that life on Earth may owe its very existence to this giant. Acting as a cosmic guardian, Jupiter's immense gravity sweeps up or deflects comets and asteroids that might otherwise collide with our fragile world. One stunning example occurred in 1994, when comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 was captured and shattered by Jupiter's gravity. Its fragments slammed into Jupiter's atmosphere with explosive force, leaving scars visible for months. Had that comet struck Earth, it could have caused mass extinction. Scientists estimate that without Jupiter, Earth would face asteroid impacts 100 to 1,000 times more frequently. In this role, Jupiter may be a gift from God, placed precisely to shield the inner solar system and allow life to flourish. Genesis speaks of the firmament that separates the heavens and the earth. Jupiter, positioned perfectly beyond Mars, may serve as part of that divine firmament, an unseen barrier preserving the delicate balance that sustains life here. Our understanding of Jupiter has advanced through daring space missions. Pioneer 10 and 11 first approached the gas giant in the 1970s, followed by Voyager 1 and 2, which unveiled its swirling storms and active moons. Galileo, launched in 1989, became the first spacecraft to orbit Jupiter. Its atmospheric probe plunged directly into Jupiter's clouds, transmitting data until the immense pressure crushed it. Galileo then orbited Jupiter for nearly 8 years, offering unprecedented views of the Galilean moons and confirming Europa's subsurface ocean. Cassini, New Horizons, and others gathered additional data during flybys. But perhaps the most ambitious mission yet is NASA's Juno. Launched in 2011, Juno orbits Jupiter in a highly elliptical path, diving within 4,200 kilometers of the cloud tops. Its titanium-shielded instruments have mapped the planet's gravity, magnetic field, and atmospheric composition. The discoveries have been astounding, from bizarre polar cyclones arranged in geometric patterns to deep-reaching jet streams and hints of a diffuse, non-solid core. Juno's endurance, exceeding expectations, speaks to human ingenuity, inspired by the Creator's boundless design. Jupiter's influence extends far beyond its orbit. Its gravitational might helped sculpt the entire solar system. During the solar system's early formation, Jupiter likely migrated inward and then outward in a dance called the Grand Tack, reshaping the distribution of material and clearing paths for the rocky planets. This delicate balancing act may have determined where Earth formed and whether it remained stable enough for life. Without Jupiter's orchestrated migration, the solar system might have been a chaotic battlefield, unfit for life. Psalm 104 proclaims, "You set the earth on its foundations, it can never be moved." Jupiter, in its massive role, may be one of those very foundations, an instrument of God's providence ensuring stability amidst cosmic chaos. Jupiter's role echoes a profound truth. The universe is not random. It reflects order, balance, and intentional design, the hallmarks of a sovereign creator who governs even the most distant gas giant for his purpose. As we gaze upon Jupiter, we see more than swirling clouds and colorful storms. We see a cosmic sentinel, a guardian of life, and a window into the mysteries of God's design. Jupiter's storms rage like the echoes of creation itself. Its moons whisper of hidden oceans that may one day reveal life, and its gravitational hand deflects dangers from our fragile world. Every mission that draws near to this Colossus reminds us how little we know and how much awaits discovery. The psalmist writes, "When I consider your heavens, the work of your fingers, the moon and the stars, which you have set in place, what is mankind that you are mindful of them?" As we study Jupiter, we are drawn into that same awe. The story of Jupiter is far from over. Missions like NASA's Europa Clipper and ESA's JUICE mission will continue peeling back the layers, revealing new mysteries, and perhaps answering ancient questions. Thank you for joining us today on Mysterious Universe. If this deep dive into Jupiter's astonishing world has inspired you, be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe Jupiter's perfect position is an accident of chance or a sign of divine craftsmanship? The universe continues to unfold, and together we will explore its wonders.